what is stroke?
Basically, it's a cerebrovascular accident or brain attack, we must say, that occurs due to certain conditions. There are two types of stroke. One is hemorrhagic and one is ischemic.
So any specific management for that?
Yes. In the case of hemorrhagic stroke, our main motive is to stop the intracranial bleeding. Secondly, we are focusing on reducing the blood pressure because it will cause more bleeding. In the case of ischemic stroke, our main motive is to perfuse that area which is going in ischemia. So we keep the patient flat in ischemic stroke. And in the case of hemorrhagic stroke, it's always wise to raise the head. It's always important to diagnose it as fast as possible with the help of CT scan. No management could be done before we diagnose what type of stroke it is.
So what is the fast mnemonic for this stroke?
Yes, the fast mnemonic is F is facial drooping, A is arm weakness, S is slowness of the speech, and T is the time to call. Basically, time is very important while transferring the patient to the hospital. The earlier it will be diagnosed with the help of CT scan, the management will be decided on the basis of type of the stroke, and there are more chances of survival. And in the comment section, you are going to tell me what are the specific risk factors for the stroke. And for more informative videos, keep on following Navkiran for the useful content like this. Take care, nurses. I'll see you again. Thank you.